Welcome to Xtreme Theme video tutorials. In this video we like to show you the settings for the footer. The footer is a container which can be displayed below the content. We are going now into the backend to enable the footer. Under Appearance we click on Xtreme One. In the default layout we can see the container which can be enabled or disabled. We are switching off the teaser now since not necessary in our demo. Then we enable the footer and we save the settings by pressing the Generate Theme button. We are opening the footer settings now. The layout is set to 4 columns, each 25%. For every column the widget areas were generated automatically. We leave the settings as they are and go to the widgets. In every widget area we drag a widget now. The category widget into widget area 1. In widget area 2 we put recent comments, and in widget area 3 we put, for example, recent posts, and in our last widget area we drag archives. Now we check the result in our front end. Below the content you can find the footer with the 4 columns. Let's check all the setting possibilities now. You can choose between 28 different layouts, starting with 1 column with full width, up to 5 columns each 20% width. We are selecting a 3-column layout, 20, 60, 20. For each column you can set text alignment separately. We leave column 1 with left alignment, we set column 2 centered and column 3 with right text alignment. You can choose an unordered list tag or div tag before the widget. Here you can choose a title tag. You can select between h3 to h6 or div tag. I will show an example of use sync height script in a minute. If you like to use HTML5, you can choose the HTML5 tag for the widget. By default it is the value section. We press the Generate Theme button and go back to the widgets again. Since the layout has only 3 columns, we have only 3 widget areas now. We exchange the last comments with the tag cloud and check the settings of the website. Here you see the results of the changes. Now I show you what happens if you activate the sync height script. Therefore we switch to the backend. We switch the layout to 3 columns each 33%. We set in all column text alignment to left. Take out the tag cloud and add last comments. In our case you cannot see any differences that the containers have a different height. We had prepared a few lines of CSS to show what can occur if you don't use the sync height JavaScript. Refresh the page. I changed the background color and font color and added a little padding to the boxes so it looks nicer, but the result isn't good. Most of the time you never know how high a box will be on a website when it's live. Sometimes a headline has 2 lines because some posts have a long title. Categories can be added, whatever you want. For this reason we have a synchronize option, sync height JavaScript. We enable this function and after refreshing the page all boxes have the same height. You have seen we didn't write 1 line of code to accomplish all the different footer layouts. That's how easy it is with Xtreme One to adjust your own theme. Thanks for watching and we hope you enjoy Xtreme One.